Here in this video, I will explain about some basic script of Linux for your daily use. So you have to open your Linux terminal to start this. First of all, we will check the working directory, present working directory. So type wd. So it is the present working directory location where we are working now. To check the list of file in this directory, type ls. So here are the list of the files present in this directory, and we can also check the permission of these files present in this directory. Just type ll, and here are the all the permissions of the files present in that directory. Read, write, and execute have all the permissions. So to move to any one of this directory, you have to type cd change directory, then the file name, test, enter. So now we have moved to the test directory. So to list all the files present in this directory, we'll type ls. So here is two files present in that directory. So now to move back to the previous directory, we will have to type cd double dot, and we now move to the previous directory, which is check the list of the files within directory. We will type ls. So here are the list which we have already seen in here. Now if you want to make a new directory, so type mk directory and then directory name like ren. So a new directory has formed here. We will check the directory. So here is the new directory ren, and if you want to move to that directory, we will have to type cd ren, and we will in that directory. Now to list the files in directory, we will type ls. So there are no files in that directory, so nothing have shown in that directory. So to check the system name, we have to type uname -a. So here is the system name, Linux laptop, WSL. My system is Ubuntu is working on WSL. Now to make a text file or any other file in this directory, ren directory, we will just type touch and the file name like ren.txt. So a new file has prepared in this directory. So you can make new file by using this script touch ren.txt. Now if you want to remove that file, you can type sudo ren file name, and now it is asking about your uh, passwords. So you have to type your Linux password. So it's now deleted. So to if you want to remove a directory, so you have to type remove directory name, then the directory will be deleted, and you can list the directory and folders in this directory. So the rain directory has been removed from the check folder. Now if you want to update the installed repository of the this Ubuntu, so you have to type sudo apt get update. Now update has started. So after some times the update will be completed. So here the update has been completed. These are the some basics we can use in the Linux environment. So thank you very much for watching my video, and please like and subscribe.